What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. So today I went and I picked some kind of different colors and I mixed them a different way because of the types of colors they are. So titanium white and turquoise, these two, and then this was a medium body mixed out of the fluorescent orange. Then I had a magenta, and the gold that I used is fairly liquid as well, 24 karat gold. So all of the golden colors, which are these three, were mixed 1 part pouring medium. No, correction. 4 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, because this is very saturated with pigment. This one was 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and then this one was about 1 part pouring medium to 1 part paint, because it's also fluid. Today, we're going to be doing a beautiful little straight pour. And it's gonna be beautiful. I already know it. All right. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I do love using this turquoise color. I kind of forgot all about it for a long time. But the way it kind of interacts with whites, same as Prussian blue also. I really love the way they interact with each other. So I'm over here just like listening to music in my headphones. Painting and talking to you amazing human beings. I don't think it could get any better than that. So it's staying cold here in Arizona, at least at night anyway. And when I say cold, I mean my idea of cold is 35, 40 degrees. It's pushing it for me, you know what I mean? But all right, so I am gonna do something different with the turquoise layer right here because it's in the middle. So hopefully that'll end up kind of a ring around the outside. But I want it to have a little blend to it. And that's what we're hoping. More than likely, I just pushed a lot of that towards the bottom, and it's going to end up on top. All right, let's get a little more Prussian blue. And now I want to churn through all 3 of these colors together. I really love churning these colors. Man, churn the gold. Little drip, it's okay. There's no oil in these colors. That 24 karat gold is very prone to making cells on its own. That's why you might be seeing what looks like cells happening. There's some kind of oil in the paint. I'm not entirely sure what it is. Oh, we're trying to caught it. Tried to catch it. We didn't quite catch it though. Oh, the static's starting to pull that color. Oh, shoot. We're almost there, guys. A little splash of white there. Let's see. All right. I think we're ready. That's really nifty. The layers of gold as they contacted the cup. Shoot, I said we're doing a straight pour. So we're gonna fix that. Oops. Anyway, we fixed that. Look at that color, that turquoise. Jeez. All right. That's wicked cool looking. So that's that turquoise that we were talking about. Jeez. And just changing the orientation of the spin is what brought that out. Little drop. Oh shoot, look at what the gold is doing. That is nice. I like that. All right, let's spin this out. Dang, the layers though. So wispy going on in there. That gold is doing some really weird stuff. Let's apply some heat to it and see what happens. Pop any bubbles from my flip originally that I had to change. Hoping to see some gold cells kind of pop out of here before the end. You never know. Got a lot of shimmer going on. It's really pretty though. The colors in it are killer. Well, let me bring you down. I want you to check it out. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I like the colors. I especially like how some of these bigger areas showing off the layers. Like right there in the middle, there's all that webbing and line work going through it. Really cool looking. It's almost like a vortex or a galaxy or, jeez. This thing looks so cool.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.